Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Misty. I hope you are having a wonderful day. It is Independence Day here in the United States, so we are celebrating and enjoying the day with family, and I just wanted to give you all of my well wishes that you are doing the same. But I thought we would spend a little bit of time today doing a little roundup of some of our patriotic projects, so let's dive right into that. So we have done a lot of patriotic projects recently, and I wanted to bring back a few older ones as well. So first up is our Stars and Stripes table runner that we just recently taught. This is a really quick jelly roll project. It doesn't even take an entire jelly roll, plus a little bit of background yardage to finish up your star corners, but it just comes together so quick, and it's great to bring to a picnic and make everything festive for the holiday. This was inspired by Jenny's original Stars and Stripes quilt tutorial that you see here. This is made out of batiks, and this is an older video now, but still just a beautiful quilt and very quick and easy to make. Earlier this year, I made the Sawtooth Stars and Stripes quilt. This is a solids quilt with red, white, and blue. I have seen a few comments of people worrying about the red bleeding onto those other colors, but good news, this was designed to be either pre-cut or yardage friendly. So if you're working with yardage, you can pre-wash all of that fabric and you don't have to worry about any of that red dye bleeding. So be sure to check out that tutorial. It's a really fun quilt to make. We also have our string stars wall hanging that's behind me. This is a great scrap buster project, and it uses our 10-inch foundation papers to make this beautiful star wall hanging. It's one of my favorites, honestly, because I love to see all the different fabrics that are in there, and you still get this beautiful red, white, and blue star that just really pops. I also used that same idea to create these string star patriotic pillows that come together super fast using the Easy 8 method of half square triangles. So we have a whole selection of red, white, and blue patriotic projects for you to make, and be sure to check all of those out and have a wonderful Independence Day from us here at the Missouri Star Quilt Company. Hey everyone, it's Misty. Thanks for watching At Home. If you aren't already a part of our Missouri Star family, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you want a notification every time we release a new video. I'll see you next Monday on the newest episode of At Home.